Motorola has officially announced the Edge 2025, the latest addition to its Edge series and a direct successor to last year's model. And this phone is packed with innovation and firsts that make it stand out in the increasingly competitive mid-premium smartphone market. Starting with the display, the Edge 2025 features a 6.7-inch 1.5K curved-pulled endless edge screen boasting a buttery, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, 300Hz touch sampling for gaming, 720Hz PWM dimming, and peak brightness hitting up to a jaw-dropping 4,500 nits, all protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, delivering both beauty and durability. But the real headline is what's under the hood. The Motorola Edge 2025 is the world's first smartphone powered by the cutting-edge MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC built on a 4nm process, paired with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD support too, making performance fluid and storage plentiful. It runs Android 15 right out of the box and introduces powerful AI-driven features thanks to the new AI key on the side, enabling smart tools like Next Move, which recognizes content on your screen and recommends helpful actions, Playlist Studio, which curates music based on what's shown on screen, Image Studio, which lets users generate images, avatars, and wallpapers using generative AI, Catch Me Up, which summarizes missed notifications, Pay Attention, that can record, transcribe, and summarize conversations or meetings. And remember this, a memory tool that stores key info from images or notes and brings them back on demand, creating an AI-powered experience never before seen at this price point. On the photography front, the Edge 2025 takes a giant leap forward with a 50MP Sony LYT 700C sensor for the main rear camera featuring OIS and f/1.88 aperture, joined by another 50MP ultra-wide camera with macro capabilities and a 10MP 3x telephoto camera with 30x super zoom. While on the front, there's a 50MP selfie camera with quad pixel tech capable of crisp 4K 30 frames per second video, giving you a complete and versatile photography suite, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or high detail. Selfies. The device houses a 5,200 mAh battery that supports 68W turbo power fast charging and 15W wireless charging, ensuring day-long power with minimal downtime. And it's not just powerful, it's tough. The Motorola Edge 2025 comes with military-grade MIL STD810H certification and carries both IP68 and IP69 ratings, making it dust-tight and water-resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, a rarity in this class, giving users peace of mind whether they're on a hike, caught in the rain, or working in extreme environments. For audio lovers, the stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos and USB Type-C audio delivers immersive sound, and the in-display fingerprint sensor ensures both speed and security. The phone supports full connectivity including 5G SA/NSA, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS, and USB Type-C, making it fully future-proof. Weighing just 181 grams and measuring 7.99 millimeters thick, it brings a refined design available in a premium Pantone Deep Forest colorway, curated in collaboration with Pantone, giving the phone a visually appealing and modern aesthetic. Priced at just $549.99, or around 46,995 rupees in India, the Motorola Edge 2025 offers tremendous value for the features it packs and is set to launch universally unlocked through Best Buy, Amazon, and Motorola.com starting June 5th in the U.S., with carrier availability at T-Mobile, Metro by T-Mobile, Total Wireless, Visible, Spectrum, and Xfinity Mobile coming soon. And for Canadian buyers, the Edge 2025 will also launch via Motorola CA on the same day with future rollout to national carriers and retail partners, making this phone easily accessible across North America. From performance to durability, camera to AI, Motorola has crafted a flagship-like experience at a mid-range price. And while the competition is fierce in 2025, the Edge 2025 just might be the most well-rounded Android smartphone in its segment. So if you're looking for bleeding-edge features, AI enhancements, stellar photography, and ultra-rugged durability all wrapped in a sleek package, the Motorola Edge 2025 is definitely worth a serious look. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more detailed tech reviews, launch breakdowns, and gadget comparisons. Only here on TechVerse.